The Vivo V15 Pro is a modern smartphone from just about every angle you look at, be it the design, the display, even the performance under the hood. Now, Vivo has been trying very hard in introducing new feature and new hardware at prices that are not exorbitantly high. And in this video today, we're going to talk about the 5 most exciting features about the Vivo V15 Pro. The first is the pop-up selfie camera on the Vivo V15 Pro. Last year, the Vivo Nex was a radical new offering among every other flagship sporting the notch. The pop-up cameras turned out to be a nifty way to get around the notch and offer a bezel-less display. It's also a more powerful front camera with a 32 megapixel Samsung sensor. Now, does it mean that we can expect a budget phone with a pop-up camera from Vivo soon? Well, only time will tell that. Now, second is the newly bezel-less display. By getting around the front camera on top of the display or housed within an ugly notch, Vivo was able to stretch the display of the phone all the way to the edges, giving you 6.39 inches of screen real estate. There's still very thin bezels on all sides, but it's almost invisible. The Vivo V15 Pro boasts of a staggering 91.64% screen to body ratio. The third exciting feature about the phone is the in-display fingerprint sensor. It's yet another feature that's going to be all the rage in 2019, and Vivo was the first to offer a phone with the technology. This is the 5th generation technology which Vivo claims can unlock the phone in 0.3 seconds. In all likeliness, this is an optical in-display fingerprint sensor and is installed under the Super AMOLED display sourced from Samsung. Now, so far, all the features we have spoken about aren't really new, but the fourth exciting thing the Vivo V15 Pro comes with is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 processor. It's the first smartphone in India to come with a chipset, and it offers a good boost in performance and capabilities, including having support for 48 megapixel camera sensors. Now, we are presently testing out the phone's performance to get an idea how the Snapdragon 675 fares against the competition, so stay tuned for that. Now, finally, the 5th feature is something I'm very excited to try out. As you might have noticed by now, the Vivo V15 Pro comes with a triple camera setup on the back. One of them is a whopping 48 megapixel camera that effectively takes 12 megapixel shots. It's the same Samsung GM1 sensor that's there on the Redmi Note 7, but Vivo manages to be the first to launch it in India. So that's more or less all the new and exciting features on the Vivo V15 Pro. Now we're gonna test this phone out for our in-depth review, and we're also planning on doing a full-fledged comparison of the phone, taking into account the camera, the performance, the display, and how it fares among its peers. So let us know which phones you think we should pick to compare this phone with, and for more videos like this, stay tuned to Digit.in.
For the latest technology updates, subscribe to Digit.in and don't forget to hit the bell icon.